stretchy.
Oh, yeah. We're on our way up to this beautiful site that overlooks the ocean. It's about 3 miles, but the whole thing's uphill. So as you can tell, I'm out of breath. It's winter and I'm already dripping sweat here. It doesn't feel like winter out here. So we're making our way a little off trail here. There's supposedly a perennial spring, which means year-round spring, I think. And it's the only source of water on this whole trail or hike that we're doing. And hopefully there's water. If not, then we're gonna have to drink our own urine. We have 5 liters of water between the two of us. Hopefully that's enough. If not, we got to make about 2 miles round trip to go get water. So
That's nice.
that's nice. Cheers.
Cheers. This is good.
Straight into the bloodstream.
Mm-hmm. Oh!
Okay, so it's 4 p.m. and before we do anything, we're hungry. We got some pre-marinated lamb chops. Yeah, we've never made lamb chops anywhere, let alone backpacking, so we marinated them, or she marinated them. If you ever been to like a skewer place, like a Chinese skewer place with like cumin, it's got that flavor to it.
Mm-hmm. Turn on the heat a little bit.
That looks incredible. Oh my. It smells so good.
I think it should be ready like now.
We made the executive decision to just eat these first 2 now. We are so hungry. Cheers. Nice and hot.
Cheers. That's so good.
The lamb flavor is really coming through.
Mm-hmm.
It's about medium rare, wall to wall. No gray banding. So what, there's salt, cumin seeds, and what else?
Salt, pepper, garlic, light soy sauce, cooking wine, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, cumin, chili.
Wow.
What do you rate it?
This is a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
We're gonna put them back in the bag and hike back with them, so.
Yeah, the bones. Mm-hmm.
Now it's better than the first one.
Really?
It had a really nice piece on the top. Kind of like a ribeye,
Oh.
where it just came off and it was super tender. What could beat this? Looks pretty good. We brought along this Flextail Zero pump. This was a Christmas birthday present from Juliana. This is a game changer because I hate pumping up my pad. The ultimate test will be if it deflates properly. But we gotta prep our bread, our outdoor boys bread for tomorrow morning. We got the bread flour here and yeast. We just gotta mix it up with some water and then we're gonna let it sit overnight. Yeah. Dang. Oh!
Alright, so we've mixed it all together. We're gonna let it rest overnight and then we'll have a really good breakfast in the morning.
See you in the morning.
This is Pablo the penguin. He is our biggest supporter.
Alright, the bread has doubled in size. Still got some lamb fat. We don't have enough water to actually wash dishes, so extra flavor.
Mm-hmm. Sure. Oh, that's stretchy.
Oh, yeah. Well, that looks so good. Haven't washed my hands since yesterday.
Hey, man. I do not want to think about that.
Ooh, I gotta take a poop.
Oh, God. Oh, that's a lot of butter, dude.
It's perfect. A little jar of honey.
Is it cooked all the way? Is it good? That's so good.
That is super solid.
Mm-hmm.
This is perfect because the bread flour is just super light.
Mm-hmm.
You just put some water and then you got this amazing fresh piece of bread. You could do so much with it.
Grape jam. Little jam, little honey.
Double time. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Will this thing deflate the pad? If you've ever tried doing this, it just doesn't work. You'll go to deflate it and then the inside will get stuck to itself and it won't pull air. So it's working. Yay! Incredible. and weighs less than a pump sack.
Oh, this one's Exped. Whoa, that looks so cool. Like the walk up.
Okay, we're heading on out of here now. This trip was a little different than what we usually do because we usually like to fish, but it was still really enjoyable without fishing. I hope you enjoyed this little adventure, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.